Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have a Firebase project and Android app configured. Now start disabling Recaptcha and Phone-auth correctly. First, ensure your Android package name and both SHA-1 and SHA-256 fingerprints are registered in the Firebase console. Once done, verify phone sign-in is enabled and Google services. JSON is in your app module. Next, add the Play services and Firebase auth dependencies to build Gradle so the app can call the alternative verification flow. This prepares the app for the next configuration step. Now implement the invisible verification flow and remove default Recaptcha prompts. In your Firebase console, choose App Check or Recaptcha Enterprise settings to use invisible checks, or opt for Safety Net/Play integrity when available. In code, call Firebase auth. Get instance. Verify phone number with the activity context and callbacks, but supply your server-provided verification token or use silent attestation. Make sure you exchange verification codes on a trusted backend. This prevents exposing any secret keys inside the APK and keeps verification invisible to users. Finish by testing thoroughly on devices that match the registered SHA fingerprints, because Play integrity and Safety Net require real device signals. Make sure your backend validates the SMS code and returns any required tokens. Once done, disable the visible Recaptcha option in Firebase and monitor auth logs for errors or quota limits. If something breaks, enable verbose Firebase logging, check network timing between client and server, and confirm your attestation key or Recaptcha Enterprise key is correct. This single check often resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.